this ASE short demo, I'll show you how to fix a user's missing user home path. You might encounter this problem when you click on Users, Groups, and Policies. In this example, the user home for user Flint is not available. As you can see, the user home box is empty. Let's confirm our user home paths, that none are missing. Clicking on Basic, User Home tab, I have 3 user home paths configured: User Home 1, User Home 2, and User Home 3. These are the only 3 user home paths set for this CBS server. Let's dig into the file system to check. I'll go into each of the user home directories. User Home 1. Aha! Flint's directory is named flint.renamed. Well, you might want to check with your other CBS admins or storage admin to confirm if this was not for some reason. Well, anyways, let's just say this was a mistake, so let's rename that directory back to Flint. After rename, let's go back to the CBS UI. Then we need to click on the Rescan All User Home Directories. That's the last icon button here. Once that is done, now we can see that Flint's user home path is now okay. Now, what if the user's user home path cannot be located, as if it got deleted? Or what if you had a storage crash or lost some directories? Well, since the user's user home path is gone, you need to get this user reconnected and start backing up. For user Storm Shadow, the user home directory is blank. Let's check the file system. We'll go through User Home 1. I don't see the directory here. User Home 2. No directory here either. And then User Home 3. Nothing here either. So we can assume that the Storm Shadow directory is missing or deleted, or maybe it got corrupted. In order to fix it, we will create a new directory. We will name it Storm Shadow for the user, making sure that the username is spelled correctly and case sensitive. For the user Storm Shadow, there are 2 capital letter S's. Once the directory is created, let's go back into the CBS UI, and then we will need to click on Rescan All User Home Directories. That is the last icon here. After we have clicked that, we can go into Storm Shadow user account, look at the home directory, and now we can verify that it now has a user home path. If you have any further questions, you can open a ASE support ticket. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on ASE's YouTube channel.